We are solving the example of integration of linear function in which the denominator is linearly repeated. Our example is x plus 1 divided by x minus 1 bracket cube into x minus 2 dx. For solving, we are solving this example by partial fraction. Therefore, integration of x plus 1 divided by x minus 1 bracket cube into x minus 2 dx is equals to integration of a divided by x minus 1 plus b divided by x minus 1 bracket square plus c divided by x minus 1 bracket cube plus d divided by x minus 2. Number this equation as 1. Now taking cross multiplication, we get x plus 1 is equals to a in bracket x minus 1 bracket square into x minus 2 plus b into x minus 1 x minus 2 plus c into x minus 2 plus d into x minus 1 bracket cube. On solving this further, we get a in bracket x cube minus 4x square plus 5x minus 2 plus b in bracket x square minus 3x plus 2 plus c into x minus 2 plus d into x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 1. Comparing coefficients of these two, we get a plus d is equals to 0, minus 4a plus b minus 3d is equal to 0, 5a minus 3b plus c plus 3d is equal to 1, minus 2a plus 2b minus 2c minus d is equal to 1. Start. On solving this further, we get the value of a as a is equal to minus d. Put the value of a is equal to minus d in second equation, we get minus 4a plus b plus 3a is equal to 0. Since the value of d is minus a, now a minus 2c is equal to 1. On solving the equation minus 4a plus b plus 3a is equal to 0, we get minus a plus b is equal to 0 and the value of a is equal to b minus d. So we can write minus 2a plus 2a minus 2c plus a is equal to 1. We have put the value of a, b and d in the last equation. So we get a minus 2c is equal to 1. Number this equation as 2. Now the equation 5a minus 3a plus c minus 3a is equal to 1. On solving this equation, we get minus a plus c is equal to 1. Number this equation as 3. From 2 and 3, we get the values as c is equal to minus 2. Solve equation 2 and 3. Equation minus a plus b, so we get minus a minus 2 is equal to 1. Therefore, a is equal to minus 3. As a and b are equal, therefore a is equal to b is equal to minus 3 and a is equal to minus d, therefore d is equal to 3. From the values of a, b, c and d, equation 1 becomes integration of minus 3 upon x minus 1 minus 3 upon x minus 1 bracket square, minus 2 upon x minus 1 bracket cube, plus 3 upon x minus 2 dx. On solving this integration with respect to x, we get minus 3 log of x minus 1 plus 3 upon x minus 1 plus 1 upon x plus 1 bracket square plus 3 log of x minus 2 plus c plus x minus 1 bracket square plus 3 log of x minus 2 plus c. The answer of the integration x plus 1 divided by x minus 1 bracket cube into x minus 2 is minus 3 log of x minus 1 plus 3 upon x minus 1 plus 1 upon x minus 2 bracket square plus 3 log of x minus 2 plus c.